Hi guys, welcome and thank you for clicking on my video. I hope that everyone is doing well and you're keeping yourselves healthy. Today is actually a really nice day in LA. It's sunny, it's warm, and I just wish we can go out, go to a bar, have a drink, but I got some White Claws, so that will do. I love these. These are my favorite ones. This is a black cherry one. My favorite one is the lime. I always add tahini. Just put a little bit on top. I just like the taste of the tahini. With this, it reminds me kind of like michelada. I got this one from Costco. It was two of these. They're the big ones for like $8, 7 something. But yeah, Costco's bomb. Buy in bulk. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Ouidad's Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel and the Feather Light Styling Cream. I got these both from Ulta. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you watch this whole video and you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So a quick little background before I start talking about the products. I just want to say that this is my first time trying these products. I had seen them before, but I never really thought of buying them. First, because just they were really expensive, and at the time that I first heard about Ouidad, I was using DevaCurl. And DevaCurl, and I'm pretty sure most of you have heard about the situation that's going on with DevaCurl. It's really sad, everything that's been happening to all these people with their hair fallout and scalp damage. It's really sad to hear a bit about this, just because at one point DevaCurl made me fall in love with my curls. Like literally, DevaCurl was the reason why I even liked my curls. I stopped straightening my hair and I actually took care of my curls. DevaCurl did that to me. This was about 7 years ago that I started using DevaCurl. Actually, my first professional haircut with my curly hair that I actually loved was at a DevaCurl salon in Culver City. I'll insert some pictures so you guys can see the first day that I got my hair done with DevaCurl. I love my curls. Like all the products they put in my hair was looking bomb. Like I never thought my curls could look like that. I first went to get my haircut. I got the pintura, and that is what they call when you dye your hair. So I completely loved it the first time I went. So I started using DevaCurl products. Since then, I used to use a lot of their products, and it's really sad because actually I told my friends and family to use these products because they did wonders to my hair, and all my family members have curly hair. So I told my mom to use it, my cousins, my tias, a lot of people to use it, my friends with curly hair to use it because it worked on my hair. Everyone asked what I put in my hair, and I would tell everyone it was DevaCurl. So a lot of my friends used it, and it's really sad to hear all these stories of people with damaged hair and damaged scalp. When I first heard about it, I was so shocked that this had happened to people from products that I use and that I recommended to my family and friends. So when I heard that, I stopped using it just because I was so afraid that that could happen to my hair, which thankfully, thank God, it didn't happen to me. And honestly, I love the way those products made my hair look. If you used it and you know what I'm talking about, you know the volume, the hold, everything it gave you. And I just can't believe this happened. So now I'm just like, I don't want to use it anymore because I'm scared that it's gonna happen to my hair. And I had a lot of their products. I didn't use them religiously, but if I went to certain events or anything, I would always want to use DevaCurl because my hair looked the best in their products. And I mean, their products are expensive. Because it was so expensive, I didn't want to use it all the time. I didn't want to use them every single day. So I started using just drugstore products. And it was just really sad to receive like text messages from my family members and my friends telling me about if I had heard about DevaCurl. So yeah, guys, that's my little background story about DevaCurl. So now I decided to give Ouidad a try because I heard about a lot of good things about them, and I did want to try them a long time ago, but they were expensive, just like DevaCurl. So I was like, DevaCurl, Ouidad. So I would always just go with DevaCurl. I knew that DevaCurl gave me what I wanted, so I would always rather just spend my money on DevaCurl. So now I'm gonna try both of these products. I've heard really good reviews about Ouidad, so I'm actually pretty excited to try these, and I really hope these work for my hair. So I got this line because this line says for all curl types, so that's the reason I went with this one. I went ahead and got the Stronghold gel just because with Stronghold gels, I think my curls last the longest. I could go up to 3 days without washing my hair and my curls will still be there. Even if I do a bun, like my curls are still there with gels. So I've been really into gels lately. So I'm pretty excited for this one. I want to see what it does to my hair. A little background. Let me just read a little bit what it says on the back of this product. This is the Curl Experts new advanced climate control feather light styling cream, defense against frizz and defines with ultra light pillow soft hold. Ooh, pillow soft. For smooth touchable curls, anti-frizz nanotechnology seals the cuticle to lock in moisture and lock out humidity. The result, frizz-free, consistently defined curls in any climate. Okay, this one says a new advanced climate control heat and humidity gel, Stronghold, transforms uneven curl patterns into consistently formed, well-defined and frizz-free spirals. Anti-frizz nanotechnology seals the cuticle to lock in moisture and lock out humidity. The results, defined, shiny, controlled curls in any climate. Take a sip of my White Claw before we start. So my hair is pretty wet right now. It's damped. I'm just gonna wet it a little more. So I don't have anything on my hair except my Not Your Mother's 3-in-1 conditioner. I rinsed it out, so I left a little bit in there, just like I do all the time since I've been using Not Your Mother's. I'm gonna part my hair. I'm generous because this thick, long hair needs a lot of product. So this is the consistency of the gel. It's pretty runny. I actually like gels like these. Okay guys, so I just finished putting in the products and brushing my hair. The styling gel and the cream both gave my hair a lot of definition already, even though, like I said, the gel is like a watery like, and I like that. I have no frizz on my hair whatsoever, not even on the tips. I usually have the most frizz on my tips. I'm going to diffuse my hair now, and then I'll be back to show you guys the results. So yeah guys, so I am done diffusing my hair. It's completely dry. This thing gave me no frizz, like it's crazy. My hair is completely dry. And I haven't fluffed it out, or I haven't put any oils to break off the cast, because I do have a small cast. It's not scrunchy, but it's a hold with softness, if that makes sense. As you can see, my hair looks wet. It's in place. It has no type of like frizz. It doesn't have volume. Not in a bad way. I actually really like it because I'm about to fluff it out and put my favorite argan oil, this one. But let me show you. This is what my hair looks like right now, guys. Completely dry. It's so soft, but it has hold. Like, I can't explain it. And my curls are so defined. You see these curls? You guys see these little curls? And this is the power of the Denman brush. But the hold is the power of Ouidad Stronghold Gel. I'm in love right now with this hair product. Look at my curls. They're so defined. Like, and my hair is completely dry. I don't understand. It's dry, but it looks wet. And it's soft. Well, I'm gonna apply my argan oil. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I am completely in love with this. As you can see, my curls, they're so defined. They are so soft. They have no frizz. I have no frizz. It's like so movable, so touchable. I knew since the beginning like I was gonna like both of them just because the consistency of both of them were very watery. It smells like a perfume. It doesn't come to my head the type of perfume I'm smelling. It smells really good. It's not fruity or anything. It just smells really good. If you have thick hair like me, I would definitely recommend this. This is gonna give you so much hold, guys. Like, I'm really loving this. Wish I could go out and show off my hair, but I can't do that. So what I'm gonna do is go out and sit in my patio and enjoy this nice weather while I edit this video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you made it this far and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. And thank you guys, and I hope you guys are back to see my next video. Bye guys.